Okay, some short announcements. We got some library news. The annual library pumpkin painting contest begins again. Here's how to participate. Get a pumpkin or see Mrs. Wilkerson's for a printed variation. Paint, color, or otherwise design the pumpkin to fit one of the three themes. The themes are creative, spooky, and historical. Turn your pumpkins into the library on or before Wednesday, October 26th. Pumpkins will be judged, and winners of each of the three categories will be announced on Halloween. There are prizes. The Quarter One Reading Challenge wraps up today. If you read and would like to recommend a book this quarter, head to the library or go on the library Google Classroom to make sure that your entry for the challenge is counted by today. Today, T-O-D-A-Y, today. Okay. Senior Assembly. Seniors, be sure to put this in your calendar. There's a senior assembly scheduled for next Wednesday, October 19th, during third period. All seniors will report to class for attendance before being released over the intercom. That's about it, but also look at the beautiful flowers that are growing outside right now. Quite beautiful.